Evelyn and Ethan's Guide to Night Hunters. Warm-up question. What would you dress up as for Halloween?
This vampire costume looks great, but it needs something. I know, I can put red paint around my mouth. It'll look like I just drank someone's blood like a bat.
Only vampire bats drink blood. They drink blood from animals like cows and horses, not people.
Really? What do the other bats eat then?
Bats mainly eat insects or fruit. However, some eat mice, frogs, fish, or birds. There are 1,400 kinds of bats. In fact, 20% of all mammals are bats.
I didn't know that.
Bats eat a lot because flying is hard work. They can eat up to half of their body weight each day.